Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'll create super simple but super tasty 3 ingredients dish. 3 epic ingredients. Asparagus, which I harvested a few minutes ago in my garden, bacon and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. For me, the best cheese on this planet. But first, as usual, I would like to present all components that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. The smell is crazy! You can check by yourself, I think. Time to plate this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious asparagus with bacon and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese is landing on the table. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much. All right. All I can say now, this is real superfood.